So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a flower pot with cement. In this video we'll be using white POP cement. You can also use the regular building cement, but it makes the pot heavier, so I prefer to use the POP cement because it gives a lightweight and feel to it. The first thing to do is to pour your cement in a mixing bowl. After that, you pour water slowly into the bowl and mix till there's no lump in it. Next thing to do, guys, is to get your mold ready. For this project, my mold would be 2 kitchen mini buckets. One is smaller than the other one. So you're gonna oil the 2 bowls which you'll be using for this project. You can either use your kitchen oil, your car oil, or any form of lubricating oil. The oil helps the cement pot to come out easily from the plastic mold. Next, you have to pour in the mixed cement into the bowl. Give it a gentle tap so the bubbles can get out of the mixture. You then put in a second bowl which is smaller than the first. Afterwards, you put in some weight. Here I am going to be using stones. The weight is to help the inner bowl in staying put. The mixture is actually warm at this point. Guys, I'm done. The pot is then set outside overnight to dry. The next day, the stone is then removed and the pot is removed from the plastic. In some cases, it might be so hard to remove. In a case like that, you gently pour hot water on the bowl and the pot will pop out easily. Yeah, guys, I got away with not putting a hole in the bottom of the pot because the cement is soft. So here am I drilling a hole in the pot with a sharp kitchen knife. The hole helps drain out water from the plant, and it's important to put one in every pot you'll be making. The pot should then be soaked into clean water for about 7 days. This helps it get harder. Bring out the pot after 7 days and allow it to dry in the sun. The pot is ready now, guys, and you can go ahead and put in your plant. I hope you like this video. Kindly give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel to see more of this. See you next time, guys. Bye.